shoot pictures of people who don't drink Wilkins coffee.
I'm ready. Shoot.
Anybody else?
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? A fucking cat? Hey, don't fucking look at me like that. That's a weird looking fucking cat. Ma! Yo, there's a stray cat outside. I don't want it starting a fight with Lucy. Lucy, it's okay. It's okay, Lucy. Don't worry about it. Ma! Ma, there's a weird fucking stray cat outside. It looks like Grandma, the fucking thing. Hey, get the fuck out of here. I don't even know if that's a fucking cat. Blink, motherfucker. Hey, no.
Wake up on the wrong side of the floor this morning?
Very funny, Bear.
I know. Maybe you put your shell on the wrong way.
All right, that's it.
Als je lang ankert.
The hell are you?
I'm a scat man.
So why didn't I flinch? Because the laws of science differ fundamentally from those of...
Selam.